Ndị be anyị na Bọlachi, anyị sị ka ọ dịrị unu na mma, anyị sị ka nke onye chikwelu ya zelụ. Dịka o si dị, ya bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si bịa na uhuruchi nketa iwetara unu ya bụ ozi gbasata maka ihe na-eme na the Old Eastern Region. Dịka unu anụ ka o si ada, nwanne anyị nwoke wetara anyị ozi n'elu akwụkwọ, and he quotes another great news as USA Congress members has officially recognized, acknowledged the Biafran Constitution and the Biafran government. Hear the news in details. All right, according to Yabo update Ajimakia Webia Biko, Tonti Nanaki Ige Yabo, if I want to work with it, I know Bosu Chinketa, the Kia Giabi Fe, Zodiki Biabo drop or I feature Dinkigi on the comment. All right, over to you, sir.
Our COS, Ngozi Orabueze, she has done fantastic job. This woman has done well. She is doing great job. I don't care what people say. I don't care what people call her. I don't care what people talk about us that are supporting her. And people that said she's a woman, she don't supposed to rule, she don't supposed to be head, that's bra 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 bra. Cho cho cho. What they are saying, talking, rubbish. This woman has done great job. Since she took over or she took charge of this Biafran freedom or this Biafran struggle or whatever you want to call it, she has done great job. At least she has put in Biafra out there where our leaders like nnamdi Kanu and the Prime Minister Simon Ekpa left. She has done great job. She has created more awareness. She's pushing Biafra agenda out there. She has created, something that will lead us to the full restoration of Biafra. At least the congressmen, the USA congressmen and the government, they are recognizing Biafra and also in support of full restoration of Biafran sovereignty. Now, let me read what she just tweeted now after meeting a congressman in USA. This is what she just released right now. It said, breaking. She said, breaking. At a special breakfast this morning, June 14, 2025, with Congressman Buddy Carter and re-elected GOP Chairman Josh McCoon, the United States of Biafra USB Constitution and Declaration documents was presented to these esteemed guests. USB is a sovereign nation that existed from Nigeria on November 29, 2024. With the Prime Minister Simon Ekpa and the leader Nnamdi Kanu, I was delighted to hear how much Congressman Carter knew about Biafra. Great speech from both leaders. So, like I said, these Congress members of USA government, they are aware. They are recognizing Biafra. They know that Biafra is in existence. And they want full restoration of Biafra. That's why some of them are showing support of Biafra. Because of what? Because of the way Ngozi Orabueze is creating or has created awareness in the United States of America. And I've said it before, if you want to be recognized, whether as a new nation or whether you are agitating to be free or anything freedom, you must first of all get the interest of United States before any other country in the world. If you can get the interest, the attention of United Government States, if you can get their interest, their attention towards what they are doing, forget any other thing. The United States government, they are recognizing, they are aware of Biafra struggle. They know that people from Biafra or that Biafran indigenous want to go on their separate ways. And they are aware of the atrocities that the Nigerian government have been committing in Southeast. They are aware of that. That's why some of them today are coming out, showing support without hiding or without being kind of like, some of them are today showing support of Biafra, and they are beginning to recognize Biafra as a state, and that's why they want Biafra full restoration. That's why some of them are speaking out. That's why some of them are showing interest of Biafra. So Ngozi Orabueze has done fantastic job for not allowing the distraction from the so-called fallback members or people that want to destroy this Biafra, since Simon Ekpa and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in detention or has arrest or whatever you want to say, the way you want to explain it. Ngozi Orabueze, as a woman, she didn't back down. She didn't look at, oh, what about these people will come for me, or I'll be the next person that they will be looking at. She didn't care about that. She took the mantle, starts going forward. So, like I said, people that are saying things about her, condemning her, like I said before, I don't care what you say about her or what you call us. Sometimes you go to the comment section, a lot of people will be asking me, why am I supporting woman? Why am I supporting this woman? Do you know that she's this, she's Fulani, she's been sponsored by Nigerian government? And I said, all the time, all of our leaders, from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, you all have said that they are working for Nigerian government. Oh, they are the agent of Nigerian government. You started with our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu until Nigerian government kidnapped him. Now you shifted that one to Simon Ekpa, that, oh, he's working for Nigerian government. Right now, Nigerian government are fighting asking for his extradition to Nigeria. Now Ngozi Orabueze, the same thing you guys are talking about. Oh, Ngozi Orabueze, Ngozi Fulani, Ngozi this. She's working with Nigerian government. She's working for Nigerian government. Oh, talking so many things. But today, look at what she has done and she's doing. Even though some of people will say, oh, what has she done? Oh, after all, this is what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu started, or Simon Ekpa started, or this. Yes, they started it. But today, they are not there. They are somewhere that they cannot continue. So Ngozi, as a woman, she took charge of that. Pushing Biafra agenda to the world, and today pushing it to the face of the USA government. Like I said, if you want to get attention for what you are doing, you must seek the face of United States. Number one thing you must do. Leave any other country. Once you get the attention, the interest of United States government or congressmen or whatever, if you get their interest, your trouble your trouble has been solved. Your problem has been solved. At least those people coming out talking about Biafra, saying things about Biafra, will make other countries or other people, individuals that are interested, will start asking questions or look.
Ngwanụ, daalụ niile nụ ụmụnne m dịka unu si na-esoro anyị n'Igbo Media. Gịnị ka unu nwere ikwu na nkọwa nke unu gbasịta maka ihe unu nọ n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi nke taa? Gwa anyị ife iche n'ụdị nke gị, deela ya n'akara kọmentị ka mara ihe i chere, ma chetakwa tụsa ya bụ ozi ka o werete ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ntị. Ndewo na ụmụnne m, ka emesịanụ.